Yes, student, here I am performing revision of electrochemistry. Student, I am telling you repeatedly and frequently that if you have to understand any of the chapter, then you must have to move smoothly by one content. Okay, that is, you have not to ignore even a very simple content, that it is easy for us, therefore we will directly jump to any of the main content. No, there is no need to jump in the main content. You must run, okay, from the beginning of the chapter, that is one by one content must be did. Like here, actually in electrochemical chemistry there are three main content. The one is electrochemical series and all the thing related only to electrochemical series. One more is the electrolytic solution, okay, and its conduction, how it conducts electricity, because we are studying for electrochemistry. And the third one is the Kohlrausch law, that is, with the help of it we can find the molar conductivity of weak acid or weak bases. Getting, that is simply weak electrolyte. So we are having three content. So one by one we will check the content. The first content is electrochemical cell and all these things related to it. What is electrochemical cell? A galvanic cell constructed by two half cell, okay, having two metal electrode dipped in their metallic salt solution. Getting, this is called electrochemical cell. Here the chemical energy spontaneously convert into electrical energy. This is called electrochemical cell. Then in electrochemical cell we have to use two half cell, therefore we can deal electrode potential. Electrode potential, that is what the potential difference develop when a metal electrode is dipped in its metallic salt solution, that is electrolytic solution. Here there is a chances that the metal electrode can lose electron or can gain electron. Okay, when doing this activity there will be development in the potential difference between metal and its metallic salt solution. This is called electrode potential. Now standard electrode potential, if the molar concentration of electrolytic solution is exactly 1 molar, okay, and the temperature is 298 Kelvin and atmospheric pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, in this condition the value is called standard electrode potential value. Okay, then electrochemical series. In the electrochemical series, large number of half cells standard electrode potential values are given. Okay, this is with respect to standard hydrogen electrode whose electrode potential is 0. Okay, some of the electrode potential is given with negative value, some of the electrode potential are given with positive value. Okay, as greater the negative electrode potential value, called most strong oxidizing agent, and as negative the electrode potential value, it is called standard reduction potential, that is strongest reducing agent. Now standard hydrogen electrode, it is considered as a reference electrode. It is because it is not possible to find standard electrode potential of any half cell till it is not connected with another half cell. Okay, then we can find the cell potential. So to find the electrode potential of any given half cell, it is connected with the reference electrode, which is standard hydrogen electrode. It is made by dipping the platinum electrode in 1 m HCl solution or any acid solution, and from the top hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure and 290 Kelvin temperature is passed, where the two type of reaction takes place. One, H2 can convert into H cation by releasing electron. So if it is releasing electron, then it will become oxidizing anode. And thus one more thing is there, the hydrogen cation from the electrolytic solution gain electron and convert into H2 gas. So when it is getting reduced, it act as reduction electrode. So on the basis of it we can find the electrode potential of any other when it is attached by SHE. Then expression of electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell like ZnCu system or CuAg system etc. is expressed on the basis of left side the oxidation half cell is written and the right side the reduction half cell is written, which are connected by the two lines. This is called what? Salt bridge. The role of salt bridge is it is responsible for the continuity of the spontaneous cell reaction. Here the zinc metal is dipped in zinc sulfate solution of 1 molar concentration and the half cell is connected by this electrode and this electrode. Therefore again there is what? 1 molar concentration, that is standard condition, and the copper electrode is attached to it. Now we can change the species if the species are different. But remember, this side oxidation, this side reduction. Now the concentration dependence. Student, it is not necessary that half cell each and every time constructed by 1 molar electrolytic solution. That means what? If the concentration are different or the concentration of any electrolytic cell is different, then we will use what? Nernst equation. The Nernst equation for simple electrode or single electrode is written by E standard E non-standard potential is equal to E standard potential, okay, minus 0. This is 5, okay, 0.059 divided by n. Here n is number of electron participates and here log 1 upon Mn cation. But if we have to find cell potential, then we have to write the cell equation, which is what? Non-standard cell potential is equal to standard cell potential minus 0.059 upon n log anode concentration upon cathode concentration, and if the stoichiometry is given, then will become the power x and y. Now the Nernst equation and equilibrium constant. How can we find equilibrium constant? So we can find equilibrium constant using the Nernst equation, which is what? E standard cell is equal to RT/NF log in Kc, or if you convert it into natural log 10 basis, then become E standard cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon NF log Kc. Now student, the electrochemical cell and gives energy. It is also very important for electrical energy. How it is? The del Rg, that is the change in the Gibbs energy of reaction is equal to NFE cell. Okay, here E cell, the value of E cell is already given, what? RT/NF log in Kc. So if you place the value, it will become minus del Rg NF multiplied by RT upon NF log in Kc. NF and NF will cancel, therefore it will become what? Minus del Rg is equal to del Rg is equal to minus RT log in Kc, or if we convert log in Kc, then we have to use 2.303 and RT into log Kc. So with this you can move to revise the chapter for each and every content. Okay, again you have to check the numerical which is already given in the previous video.